Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and once again I welcome you guys to my General Training IELTS reading video. In this video we are going to eat IELTS reading raw. We are going to chew IELTS reading gub chew. Okay, so guys, the question type which I'm going to teach you in this video, that is short answer questions. It's basically write your answers in the boxes and short answer question. I'm going to tell you how to read the question, how to find the clue word, whether the questions and answers are in the same order or not. All these things I'm going to tell you in this video. If you watch this video till the end, it will not waste your time. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, it's not fair, okay? Consider subscribing my channel and click the bell icon as well, okay? Thank you for that. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just get down to the main business and we start with these questions. Okay guys, now we go on with questions 34 to 37. It's section 3. Answer the questions below, no more than 3 words. And there is no mention of number. So let's see. Now questions will give you the clue basically. On what date, right? So you need to find the date. In 1989, that's the clue word. You need to scan for 1989. On what date in 1989 should the original repairs to the roof have been completed? Original repairs to the roof and completed. So you need to find a date in the year 1989 when the original repairs to the roof have been completed. Now let's scan the word 1989. Wow, it's here. So we need to find a date when actually this original repairs to the roof have been completed. On the afternoon 30th August 1989, fire broke out. No, 30th August, fire broke out. Do not find this. 30th August is the answer. No. Find another one. A large 18th century house in Sussex, for a year builders had been replacing the lead on the roof and by a stroke of irony were due to finish the next day. Yeah, they were due to finish the next day on August 31. So, on what date in 1989 should the original repair work? They were about to finish. Should the original repair to the roof have been completed? So that is actually August 31. So for question number 34, you can write it here. August 31 will be the answer. You can write full. AUGUST August, and then you can write even 31st. Both ways it's right. That will be the answer. Clear? Now let's go on. By what method? It's about method. Were things rescued immediately from the burning house? So you need to find the method, and through that method they rescued the things immediately from the burning house. That's what you got to find. Let's go on. We can just go on here. We need to find a method. Collection, first floor, oil painting, and this and that. Swift action of the previous owners. The meet this thing family and the staffs and visitors to the house who formed human chains to pass the precious pieces. Just a second. To pass the precious pieces of porcelain, furniture and painting out on the lawn. 95% of the contents from the ground floor and the basement were saved. How? Who formed human chains? Oh, I understand. इतना पर व्यामा ते रोटियां बरताने हैं, एक दूसरे को देता है, दूसरा तीसरे को, तीसरा चौथे को, चौथा पांचवें को, और आगे पहुंच जाता है. Human chain. So who formed human chains to pass the precious pieces? Actually the method they used. What is the question? By what method were things rescued immediately from the burning house? Who formed human chains to pass the precious pieces of porcelain, furniture and painting out on? 95% of the contents from the ground floor and the basement were saved through method human chains. So the answer to question number 35 is human chains. Okay, this is my A. Alright, let's go on. Next is question number 36. After the fire, what did the conservators require? Require means they need large quantities of, so they need some material or something, maybe water or gas or anything after the fire. What did the conservators require large quantities of immediately? And the questions and answers are in the same order. As the fire continued to rage, National Trust Conservator was being mobilized, and that evening local stationers were especially opened to provide, to provide what? The bulk supplies of blotting paper. Bulk supplies of blotting paper. And after the fire, what did the conservators require? Large quantities and bulk supplies. Large quantities and bulk supplies. Fair kinde ne buta gala karda. I'm excited. That's why I'm saying this. Okay. This is a Punjabi sentence, by the way. Bulk supplies of blotting paper. So after the fire, what did the conservators require? Large quantities of immediately, and that is, this is blotting paper. Okay, blotting paper. B-L-O-T-T-I-N-G, blotting, P-A-P-E-R, blotting paper. Singular? Yeah, it will be singular. Yeah, blotting paper. So 36 is that. 37. Into what did the conservatives put material recovered? I read somewhere dustbins, but let's see. Into what means what did the conservatives put material recovered from the fire? Okay, I don't know. Let's see, it's question number 37. So into what? They say here bulk supplies, and then we got to find out into what. Basement and in every room. The following morning Apak stood open sky. So I mean, it's basically when they say into what did the conservators put material recovered from the fire. Into what? After the initial, I read somewhere dustbin, which followed the fire. Field discoveries helped the volunteers, National Trust, archaeologists, conservators swung into action. Conservators are here. So you need to find into what? Conservators. First of all, marking the site out into a grid, and then salvaging everything down to the last door handle. The position of each fragment was recorded, and all the debris was stored in countless, all the debris. Now see this debris. And in what did the conservators put? Material recovered from the fire, that is actually called debris. IELTS reading is a vocabulary test. Material recovered from the fire, and for that they have used the word debris. Debris was stored into countless dustbins. So into what? Dustbins. Question number 37. The answer is dustbins. It should be plural, I'm sure. Yeah, countless dustbins. So into what? You can write countless dustbins as well. That can be right as well if you want to. But this countless can be, optional word. Countless dustbins, and only dustbins will be right answer as well. So guys, this is what Asad Yaqub can do for you. All the best. I wish you 9 band in IELTS reading. Welcome back. See, I told you this pencil is magic, huh? It's a magic pencil, and we are solving IELTS reading tests, and it's not difficult. If you want this pencil, I can give it to you as well, and you can take this pencil with you. Just have your favorite pencil and try to solve the tests. That's all guys. Thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Together we will eat IELTS reading. Gupchu, gupchu, gupchu. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.